You're asking for a fantastic fusion dish. While a traditional paella is Spanish, a Moroccan lamb and vegetable paella is a popular twist that combines the cooking method of paella, a rice dish cooked in a wide, shallow pan, with the aromatic spices and ingredients common in Moroccan cuisine. A general approach to making this dish would be: key components. Lamb, often diced lamb shoulder or leg, slow-cooked or seared and added back to the rice. Rice. Traditionally, paella uses Bomba or Calasparra rice, but medium or long-grain rice can also work. Moroccan Spices, Ras el Hanout, a signature blend that typically includes cumin, ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and sometimes cardamom and clove, among others. Saffron, a traditional paella spice, often included in the Moroccan fusion for its color and distinct flavor. Vegetables, onions, garlic, bell peppers, chickpeas, garbanzo beans, dried apricots or raisins, and perhaps courgettes, zucchini, or squash. Broth, chicken or vegetable stock. Garnish, fresh cilantro, coriander, or parsley, lemon zest, and sometimes toasted almonds. General steps. A fusion recipe outline. Prepare the lamb. Sear the diced lamb in olive oil in a wide, shallow pan, like a paella pan or a large skillet, until browned. Remove and set aside. Sauté aromatics and vegetables. In the same pan, sauté chopped onions and garlic. Add your choice of chopped vegetables, peppers, zucchini, etc., and cook until slightly softened. Bloom the spices and rice. Stir in the Moroccan spices, like Ras el Hanout, cumin, turmeric, cinnamon, and smoked paprika, and cook for about a minute until fragrant. Add the rice and stir well to coat all the grains in the oil and spices. Add liquid and lamb. Pour in the hot broth, infused with saffron threads, if using, and return the seared lamb to the pan. Add chickpeas and dried fruit like apricots or raisins. Bring the mixture to a boil. Simmer and finish, the paella way. Reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. Crucially, do not stir the rice after this point. Let it cook, uncovered, or sometimes covered for part of the time in a fusion recipe, until the liquid is mostly absorbed and the rice is cooked, about 15-25 minutes depending on the rice. The goal is to develop a crispy layer of rice on the bottom called sokarat. Rest and garnish. Remove from the heat, cover the pan with a lid or foil, and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro, parsley, lemon wedges, and toasted almonds before serving. To get a specific recipe with measurements, I recommend searching for Moroccan Lamb Paella recipe online, as you'll find variations that detail the spice blends and exact cooking times. Settings. Add any subtitle,